Did you know that your skin is typically at its all-time worst when summer comes to an end? I did not know this. Beauty expert Michelle Phillips is here to share the most common end-of-summer beauty blips and, most importantly, how to fix them. Michelle, welcome back.
Thank you. Yes, most people don't realize that, when you're out in the sun, you're exposed to all the elements, and then you've got salt, chlorine, all those things that dry out your skin and your hair and your body, that this time of year is a great time to start thinking about changing up your beauty routine so you can get that boost of hydration back to your skin, that glow, just get that, revitalized look.
Which I'm one of those people that's like, even as the seasons change, even though it's not necessarily feeling like it right now, when the seasons change, I like to feel like a change. Like I switched out like my body lotion scents, like I've been doing that after Labor Day. So I think this kind of goes hand in hand with just getting a new chapter.
Absolutely. And this is good any time of year, but particularly at the end of summer. And like you said, it's still warm, but that doesn't mean we can't start to transition now, because we are going to slowly start to get into cooler weather. However, one thing that I definitely recommend that you do at least once or twice a week, especially this time of year, is exfoliate. And exfoliating, what it does, it helps not only remove the dead layers of skin that we have, that exfoliation process helps speed up cellular turnover, which in turn helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves texture and tone of your skin, and brightens your skin tone. So I love to use masks because they are a little bit more effective once a week to really help exfoliate the skin, including alpha hydroxy acids, fruit enzymes. Those are the ingredients that you want to look for in a peel for your skin. You can use the granular exfoliator.
That's what I was thinking. When you first started talking exfoliating, that's what I was thinking. But you're saying you can get a lot of it in a mask?
Yeah, in a mask, because then you're going to get a deeper peel and more of a brightening of your skin tone. And you got to be really careful with the granule exfoliation, because you can use some that are a little bit too harsh on the skin and can break, the capillaries of your skin or damage your skin. So I like to use the peels and the mask, and plus it gives you about 15 minutes to just chill out and relax, right?
Hey, we love that.
And next thing you want to do is include antioxidants in your skincare routine. We've talked about vitamin C before. This to me is one of the most important ingredients to look for in moisturizers or serums this time of year. Because vitamin C will reverse the damage that you've done from sun. It will help protect your skin from pollutants. It will brighten your skin tone and also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which we all love.
I like that you break down the ingredients that we should be looking for.
Yes.
What about the next one?
Now, the next one is body. If we paid as much attention to the skin on our body as we did our face, our skin could look up to 10 years younger on our body.
You can tell aging based on the rest of your skin,
right? From the neck down. So you want to look for the same ingredients in your skincare products for your body. Right now, you might want to invest in a little bit more of the hydrating, the balms, and also use a sugar, like a scrub in the, in the shower to exfoliate. And make sure you moisturize right after you get out of the shower while your skin is still damp, because that's when you really retain more moisture.
By the way, can you see there's a Dove bar here? I love that you're just going old school Dove. You can't beat that,
And the one thing I want to say is soap can have as much, detergents in it to scrub your floor. So if you're going to use soap, use something like this that is hydrating and moisturizing. Be very careful about what you use on your skin. And then finally, your hair. I want to talk about your hair needs moisture and hydration as well. And for us blondes, a lot of times this time of year in your chlorine, your hair can get brassy. You might want to pick up a shampoo that has a violet tone to it, because that will neutralize the brassiness and help revitalize your blondes.
I've seen that.
And then keratin as well as silicones are both two ingredients that you can use after you shampoo and condition your hair to really protect from the heat damage of the blow dryers and the curling irons. So,
which is always a problem. You can just ask our crew. We're always talking about this.
We're always blow drying and curling iron.
Exactly. Michelle, thank you as always. We appreciate your time.